Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a new phone to unbox and go over with y'all. It is the OnePlus 10 Pro, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video. Hopefully you like that intro slash unboxing of the OnePlus 10 Pro. In this part of the video, I'm gonna just go over the specs really quick. We can look at the phone, and we can definitely just discuss what OnePlus means in the US and can it actually survive in the US now. Now, like you know already, the OnePlus 10 Pro came out in China around in January, and then they just did a global release. I think the release is actually today officially. And you can pick this up from T-Mobile, you can get it from Best Buy, Amazon is where I got this one from, or you can get it from OnePlus too. This is the unlocked version. Like I said in this video, I'm gonna just go over the specs really quick. Let's go over the phone. I started it up in between there, so it does have some juice. So on the left-hand side here, you have your volume rockers. Then on this side, you have your alert slider, and then also the power button. Then you look at the big cameras. At the top, you have a microphone. Then at the bottom, you have your SIM card slot. You also have it looks like another microphone there. You have your Type-C charging port and a speaker. It has dual speakers, so it also has a speaker up there. What y'all think about that camera? Does that look like an oven? But the texture on this phone, too, is great, too. I do love this color, though. What y'all think about the color? Now on this front display here is a 6.7 inch, they call it a 120 hertz fluid AMOLED panel, which is, I mean, OnePlus has some great displays before, and this one is no different. I mean, just look at it. I'm going to start it up and so we can really look into it. But it also comes with Android 12. The resolution on the display is 3216 by 1440. If you care about PPI, that is a 525 PPI. It does have 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, where a lot of folks are complaining that OnePlus came out with the 128 gigs, not 256, and 8 gigs of RAM. The word on the street is that they are coming out with a 12 gig phone and I think 256 gig storage, but that one is $1,000 and hasn't came out yet. I don't know why they're doing this in stages. When they released it in China, they should have released it in the US too, but hey, it's OnePlus. Hopefully they can survive. I know a lot of people are giving them a hard time, but I think some people just want Sammy and Apple to win everything, but we definitely need different manufacturers of phones. I mean, with Samsung and Apple, you're going to get bored. I'm sorry, especially with Apple. But this phone looks great. I will definitely put the cameras to the test. I have to put it again. Look at that. That is a pair. What y'all think about those two phones together? Which one has the better camera setup? Y'all let me know in the comments. But I'll definitely put my SIM card in here. Also on the cameras right there, you have a 48 megapixel camera. You have an ultra wide 50 megapixel camera and then a telephoto lens, 8 megapixels. It can shoot 8K at 24 frames per second, and then 4K at 30, 60, and 120 FPS, so you can really slow it down. The front camera is a 32 megapixel camera, I believe, and it can shoot in 1080p at 30 frames per second. That's the only drawback that I see so far, is that the camera on the front could be better, I guess. Or at least shoot, you know, maybe 4K at 60 or 30. It also has the a 5,000 milliamp hour battery on here. So yeah, the battery should last. It has what, 65 watt charging, dual speakers, wireless charging. So it has everything a flagship phone would have. It also has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset in here. So it has the latest and greatest Snapdragon chip in here. So it screams everything about a flagship. The price is $899, which is not a bad price when it comes to a flagship phone these days. But let's get into it. Let me go ahead and pause the video. I want to put my SIM card in there, maybe go use it for a little bit. But look, I love this color though. I don't know, if y'all don't like this color, then hey, that's up to y'all. But stay tuned, I'll be right back. Okay everyone, so I'm back. I've been using the phone for a little bit and it is buttery smooth. The 120 hertz refresh rate screen is great. And like I was saying earlier, OnePlus makes some of the great displays out there. This one it looks amazing. And I'm gonna go through the settings in a different video. I might give y'all a tips and tricks video, but I just want to give you my first impressions on it. This OnePlus 10 Pro is definitely a nice phone. Now, will it beat my S22 Ultra? Who knows? Will these cameras do anything good? We will have to find that out. I will do some gaming on here. I mean, I'll test out the speakers. We'll do whatever video y'all want. Y'all let me know in the comments what type of videos you want to see from me. But that display is gorgeous, man. I love the size of the phone, the overall feel. I mean, you can't go wrong with each phone's butt. Look how small this phone is compared to my Note. As far as the width is, it's small, man. It's about the same height, but I said Note, that's 22 Ultra, I should say. But look at that color too. And it does have curved display too. I forgot to mention that. That's a couple things I want to discuss too before I wrap up this video. I can see some of Oppo's Color OS in the operating system now. I have the Oppo Find N and you can see some features from that in this phone now. Just some of the gestures, some of the settings in here. It's still running Oxygen OS, I believe, but you can see that it has some Oppo feels in there and some Color OS settings in there, just how they use the phone. Also, the fingerprint scanner works great. I mean, I haven't had any problems unlocking the phone. It does have face unlock and everything too, so we'll definitely test out this phone a little bit more in upcoming videos. Alright, so I'm gonna just wrap up this video. Stay tuned to the channel. I will have more videos coming out. But like I said earlier, let me know what type of videos you want to see from me on this phone. I will definitely do any type of videos y'all want to see, the camera tests and stuff. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the OnePlus 10 Pro, also the S22 Ultra, the Tab S8 Ultra. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.